Well, here we are on our last day of the roof. You can see we just got that last little bit right there left to go. And we'll have this roof redone. We're going to tear the rest of that off today. And then we're going to paper it. Hopefully we'll get the metal on today. If not, we'll finish that metal up tomorrow. In any event, we're going to have it taken care of. Then this whole roof will be finished, one end clear to the other. Man, will that be a good feeling. You can see here where we got done yesterday. We tore off 24 foot, 2 layers of shingles, screwed the boards back down because the old nails were pulling loose, and then we black papered it. And then we had to take all the shingles to go get rid of them. But it's going to be a nice feeling having that roof done, I can tell you. Right now, let's go out and see how the chickens are doing. As you can hear, they're looking forward to me letting them out again. They still love to run free. I do kind of miss having the pigs, in a way. I don't mind having them for breakfast, but it was always nice to have somebody happy to see you in the morning. Don't get a lot of that sometimes. Yes, we hear you, we hear you. So here, let's check out the chickens. How's everybody doing? How you doing there, buddy? Yep. Which one of you is which here? Hard to tell. Okay, yeah, that's the Colonel right there, and that's his brother. Colonel's got more white feathers around his legs. The only way I can tell the difference between the two. They look so much the same. So let's go ahead and open up your door and let you free. Little block in. That doesn't close up on you. Come on, guys. Come on, guys and gals. Time to come out. And see from out here you can see the whole roof, the whole house. Hey, you're loud, you know that, right? You can see the whole house. Let me zoom in just a little bit for you. If I can. It's not zooming. There we go. There we go. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll have the metal roof completely done on both sides, all the way down. Everything but that little addition on the end here, which I don't know if I'll ever mess with it. And then we got to start on the siding, which is something I need to do this morning, is order the siding so it'll be here on time. Let ourselves in. Around here, need to clean this mess up when I have time. Nothing in the cage, so that's good. Uh-oh, we have a couple of customers in there. You were laying in that same spot yesterday. Are you guys starting to set? Huh? You guys getting broody? Let me see if you'll let me touch you. Let me see. Am I going to get pecked? Oh, I got pecked. I got pecked. Yeah, we're going to have baby chickens, maybe. What are you doing, rascal? Huh? You scaring the chickens? Huh? You scaring the chickens? Yeah. He doesn't know what to think of those chickens. He likes to chase them, but he doesn't mess with them. He knows better than to mess with them. I think they went after him a couple of times. Huh, rascal? Yeah. He's been wanting out all morning. Now he's out. Take a quick walk around the yard. It's been a while since I've done a full video like this. So I'll take you for a quick walk around the yard and show you a few things that's going on. You can see, like I said, with the house. Here's my first pecan tree. I was worried whether or not they were going to make it through the winter, but look at that. That's a nice growth on there. Nice growth on there. There's our pond. Moving over to this side of the yard. This is the other pecan tree. Not quite so obviously doing well. Still alive for sure. You can see it's got little buds on it, but not doing nearly as well. See, it's got a little bud growing on it right there. I think right there, but nothing up here it doesn't look like. So it might have to regrow from down below. As long as it doesn't come below the graft, we're good. I got the pear trees trimmed up. They flowered real heavy and no frost this time, so maybe we'll get some pears. Got me a new grapevine, Concord this time. And here's my pride, my black raspberry. Look at that thing. Look how good that thing's doing. That thing's doing so well. Got another black raspberry, and so far it's just a dead stick. I'm waiting to see if there's any life on it. Got two more blueberries. See how they'll do without a drought this year. And then another one of the purple raspberries, which the other one didn't do so good last year, but this one seems to be doing all right. I got compost to help it out this year. And looky there. Yeah. Whole bunch of flowers on my apple tree. This is the Golden Delicious. The other apple tree, I don't see any flowers. At least I haven't yet. It's alive. It's alive. It's coming out of it from the winter, but no flowers. This is the compost that's pretty much ready to go. This is the new compost. I cleaned out the chicken coop and the inside coop, and it filled the bucket on the tractor all the way up. So I got plenty of nitrogen in there, that's for sure. Here's our grapevine. It had a whole bunch of starts, but I pinched off all but 3. I didn't want it to be overloaded. I don't know if you remember, I had a right here. Here, there. It's a mint, spearmint. It came back. Got a tomater. This one here is the only one I've got that's a hybrid. It's a better boy. We'll see how it's going to grow. Planted a little patch of carrots. Don't have a tiller, so I'm not going to really get it tilled this year. Everything's going to have to be by hand. But as you can clearly see, there's no shortage of firewood work that's been getting done. Lots of firewood out here. The cherry trees are just loaded with blossoms. I fertilized them real well, so we'll see how that goes. Here's the end of the house. We got the doors on, we're ready to do the windows and then get the siding on. Like I said, I need to go in and order the siding. So, that's what's going on today. Spring Holler Ranch, Spring Holler Farm, whatever you want to call it. I started out saying ranch and changed it to farm. I figure they're kind of interchangeable. Here's the rest of our metal under this tarp. I couldn't believe it stayed dry for all that time, but it did. And there's a better view of the roof. You can see what we got left to tear off and do today. So I'm going to go in and start ordering, and we'll get to tearing it off. I'll let you see it again when we're done. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you like my videos. I'm going to get back into the swing of it here soon. I don't know what went wrong. I just stopped making them for a while. And I'm sorry for that.